What is going on, guys? I am Consumer Tech Review, and today we're gonna be reviewing the Edifier Hecate GX headphones and seeing if they're any good. I'm gonna do the unboxing for you, and then we're gonna do the full review and the sound test and a gaming test. And if at any point during the video you wanna check out these exact same headphones, I'll have Amazon links below for the US, UK, and Canada. But let's get in the unboxing. Here's a timestamp if you wanna skip it. All right, guys, unboxing the Edifier GX. They just released these headphones, and I'm super excited to get these things unboxed and see what they're all about. I think they're about $100, which means these things are gonna be competing with a lot of gaming headphones in the segment. Let's get this thing open. Now, Edifier has absolutely been killing it for quite a while now. They just released those speakers, the gaming speakers, and they were really amazing for the price point. That's actually what I use on my gaming setup every day. I like the box inside of box action. Now, which way does it open? Oh, very nice. First impressions, love the color. Love the silver color. Let's get these things out of here. Okay, first impressions, heavy, not too heavy. They feel high quality. Let's get this plastic off. Okay, first of all, I kind of like the silver. I don't think it looks cheap because they have like the gaming printing on there, which very nice font. Yeah, I kind of like that. I'm kind of digging it. They have gloss black with this cool logo in there. I think that ring is gonna light up. They got GX right there, giving me Lexus vibes, and then another GX right there. Okay, now, top part, pretty comfortable. It feels nice. This part, super squishy. I like it. No side-to-side action, but you do get, wow, a thick metal band. Got nice printing there on both sides, so you can be super exact if you want to. But overall, the Edifier GXs look pretty freaking sweet. You got two buttons there, which actually feel nice and high quality. And you can plug it in USB-C or 3.5mm, which is cool. And I think, is that a mic? Yes, that is the mic. So the mic is actually right here, which I prefer. You don't need to have that whole, airplane looking action going on with your mic. So they have the mic right there. We're gonna have to test that in the sound quality test for the mic. Because of the connectivity, you get a ton of different connectivity modes. You get USB-C to USB-C, so you can plug it into your phone if you have a Galaxy or something like that. You got USB-C to USB, or you got 3.5mm headphones. So you'd be able to plug it into anything, your phone, your PlayStation, your anything basically. And that's actually really nice because I could literally see me, if I'm going on a road trip and I don't have any other headphones, I could use these as some headphones in the car. But guys, that is my unboxing of the Edifier GXs. Let's take it away with the sound test. All right, guys, starting off the test is the fit test. Now, I was actually just looking at these on my table over there, and they just look so good. I actually really do like the glossy silver down there. Now, some of you might think this looks cheap, and it would on some other ones, but I don't think it's overused. I think it's just the right amount of like kind of chrome. I think it looks really good. To the right, left, let's do a fit test first. Okay, these feel pretty comfortable. They're definitely like on your ears, they're over ears. And for the music test, we're actually been testing out the USB-C so I can test it out on my phone. So I have a Galaxy Note 9, so these should pretty seamlessly connect. Another thing I'm really excited to test out is the mic because it's just this tiny little thing down there. So hopefully it's really good. That's what I'm hoping for. Okay guys, we're gonna play a song. I'm planning to play Walk 'Em Down by NLE Choppa. Been listening to that song a lot recently and see my first initial reaction. Just from listening to the beginning, not any of like the bassy parts yet, so ridiculously clear. Super clear, super clear. I would like a little bit more bass, but I don't think that's the actual headphones. I think that's just the EQ, which will probably be shifted. Now, look at that. My phone is supplying power to these things to light up the RGB on it. That's crazy. My phone is doing that. Okay, so from this, there's a massive light right here. It's pretty dang bright, and it doesn't look cheap or cheesy. Look at that. Like, that looks clean as heck. It doesn't look stupid either. I'm pretty impressed, but let's do the gaming review, guys, because that's what everyone cares about, and then the mic test, because I'm actually very curious to see how good the mic's gonna be. Oh, and I just noticed something. A volume wheel right here. Look at that thing. It feels really good. That's awesome. Finding out all sorts of stuff on this. It also looks like you have a lighting button down there, which is nice. Let's launch up some Warzone, because you guys know I love to play it. These are actually nice cables. They're just rubberized, but they feel good and high quality. Let's get this plugged in, all hooked up, and we got that such cool RGB on the sides. Or I guess it's just blue, but, oh, No, it is RGB. Look at that. Keep it on that color. All right, let's launch some Warzone. I will say, just due to the actual fit, it cancels out a ton of noise just because of like how isolated they are on your ears. They sound stupid good. The bass is actually really good. I take back what I said in the beginning. Everything is like perfect. The mids are good. The trebles are like so clear. Dude, Edifier is doing such a good job. It's ridiculous. All right, let's jump into some quads. Now, I will say with the mic, the actual mic is pointed right towards your mouth, so it could actually be pretty good. I'm so interested to see how the mic sound is gonna be. But let's jump into match. They are also super loud. I'm gonna turn these down actually. You have the knob right here. Oh, that works really well. Oh, they are so crisp. It's really unbelievable. You want that for gaming. The crispness of the trebles is like so ridiculously crisp. Gunfire, bass, mids, everything is really, really good. When the bass comes in, the ba-ba-ba, these are good. Now, the one thing that could make these not perfect would be the mic. So let's play a little bit more, see how they are actually in game, and then let's make the verdict on if the mic's good. These things are like unbeatable for $100. Oh, these sound so ridiculously good. Oh, look at that. So good, guys. The planes flying overhead, you can hear where everything is coming from. And I know these are not just utilitarian. I mean, they sound good. Like, they're really immersive. Obviously, sound is a huge part of immersion in a game like Warzone. These put you in it right now. It's hard for me to actually speak. All right, guys, for absolute gaming, just for the actual like sound on your ears, it is stupid good. The mids are clear. The trebles are so clear. And the bass is perfect for everything. I thought, you know, listening to music, it's a little bit, it could be a little bit louder. But again, that's something that you can turn on with EQ. The actual speakers inside of these, or the sound emitting devices, those can handle heightening the bass up quite a bit. Right now, we gotta test the mic. And the audio that you're about to hear now is gonna be the audio that is recorded here through this mic. Let's hear it. And do keep in mind, that's like a $400 mic. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Not good. I've tested a lot of gaming headsets and ones that are much less expensive than this. For $40, you can get a gaming headset that has much better mic quality, not as good sound quality, not as good build quality, doesn't look as good, but much better mic quality. The mic quality on this is okay. Your teammates will be able to hear you just fine. It's not good. You're not gonna wanna use it for anything that you need good sound quality. It's not good. However, that being said, if the mic quality just needs to be usable and you really want an immersive sound quality and you have a ton of different devices to hook up and you want that premiumness that you're gonna get from Edifier, this is absolutely a fantastic option. Again, if you do wanna go check out the Edifier Hecate GX, there's Amazon links below for the US, UK, and Canada. Absolutely love this pair of headphones or this headset. I do wish the mic would have been better, or if it was detachable, that would be great. Although it does have kind of a cute little light there, which like design wise, like they did this thing amazing. It looks beautiful and all the materials feel good. Just if the mic quality was better, it would have been perfect. Hopefully they can do that in their second generation. But this was Consumer Tech Review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and it helped you out, help me out and throw a like below. And if you enjoy tech reviews like this, mainly keyboard videos, but I also do some speakers and headsets, definitely check out my channel, Consumer Tech Review. But this was Consumer Tech Review, and I'll see you guys later.